You're playing Project You're playing Project Psychi right now, aren't you? Egg, say hi to the recording.
Hi, y'all.
Egg, what are you playing? No! That's No.
Oh, no.
Chris, go away. Raise up kids another day. Jimmy says it's not okay. Chris, go away. Yeah. You just got up. It is 10 a.m. in the morning right now. Oh my god.
Hey, why both arms?
I'm too tired. You both are playing Psychi, okay. Psychi hits, okay. Oh my gosh. Don't play the no. Shimmy, 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 yeah. I like my cheese drippy, bruh. 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 I like my cheese drippy, bruh.
Cheese drippy, bruh.
I like my cheese drippy, bruh. Oh my god. Guys, like and subscribe to the rizzish group. What in the world is the
This is because of world weight.
The world record.
Don't you have enough Akito 4-star cards?
You have too much Akito 4-star cards. Bruh, stop sipping for Akito.
Fine.
Bro, you just sip for Akito all the time.
What?
Bro, what?
Bruh.
What are you yapping about?
You are yapping about Akito 4-star cards. Ew, your butt.
I need to make sure that I stay strong with this content on.
Ew, your yacht. Bro, why does it sound so low quality? Bruh.
I need to stay strong for some content.
Bruh. Oh. Summer, who's the most rizzish? Yeah, so these paper dolls are so. Okay.
What is this?
Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna take a workout for a second.
Hey, it's a compliment.
Okay, guys, so this is another recording. Well, one is playing Psychi and one is playing Bandori. Okay, everyone say hi. Hi. Oh my gosh. And say hi to the recording. And say hi to the recording. She's watching Sigma jokes. Oh no, oh my gosh. Guys, who has the biggest yacht, Rui or Tsukasa? Wait, Guys, should we play Roblox? Wait, who's online on Roblox? Who's online on Roblox? We always call it Roblox for some reason. Roblox. Hey guys, please, we have to hit 1,000,000 subscribers. It's okay for 100K though. Okay. What in the world is BFAT? B-Swim Simulator, Dandy's World. Oh my god, Dandy. There's a 13 plus game that I'm allowed to play for some reason. The Russian Sleep Experiment. Guys, what in the world is the Russian Sleep Experiment? Oh my gosh. If you know, comment down below.
I'm going to this side.
Oh, it's a fan-made Doors Floor 3 game. Wait, there's a fan-made Floor 3 game. The Russian Sleep Experiment is not a Doors Floor 3 game. It's a game on Roblox.
No.
It's a game by Russian Sleep Studios on Roblox. What in the world is life purpose and raise a child? Wait, what? Someone's actually playing DTI right now. One of my friends is playing DTI. Dressed to impress. Oh my god. Murder Mystery 2, that's a 2014 game. Oh my god. Yeah, I actually know what Adopt Me 2017 looked like. I did not play.
Hi, Bailey.
I did not play Adopt Me in 2017. I played it in like 2021.
I'm gonna try and get Bailey the Octopus.
There's a game called Legacy Adopt Me 2017, but you have to pay 27 Robux, or Bobux, that's what we call it. Well, it looks so old. And also, Summer, why do you have a big yacht? Shut up. Oh no, Berry Avenue. Please don't recommend that game. Life Together? Oh my god.
Oh, Bailey, you're too broke. I have to claim your money.
Survive Freaky Sukana. The Sukana from Gojo. I knew it! Oh my god. It's from Jujutsu Kaisen. Carl boss fight. What in the world? It has 809K visits, so let me know if you heard of it. 2.4 billion visits that Slap Battle has. What in the world is that? What in the world was that drawing? But that's definitely AI. That picture looks like AI. Bro. Oh, the overkill. I have the overkill glove. Why are you playing easy? Oh, Bailey's playing?
Yeah. Whoa, what was that for? When there's two notes and some lines and like things like that.
Wait guys, I'm trying to play Bruh, imagine I tried to beat you in Slap Out. Wait guys, you might hear it here. Viewers, you might hear it. Comment down below what is your favorite Roblox game. Boblock. Bruh, someone's rizzed up. Bruh, I have the overkill slap. Oh my gosh. Bruh, it's laggy right now. Wait, actually, it's just loading. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why does someone have the same clothes as me? Oh my gosh. Did I say? Did you hear? Wait. They're just sleeping. Someone has the same clothes as me. But what happened? Nothing's loading. Bro, why are they all just laying down? They don't have the ZZZ. Oh my god. He just threw me like a boomerang. Bro. Beware the cube of death. I heard it kills. I touched that cube and it actually kills you. Not in real life though, it kills you in the game. Bro. Roblox slap it. When I slapped that person, the music stopped, so they were playing that music. Oh, giant wall. Interact. Oh my god. Bruh. I'm not gonna type in the chat right now. Oh my gosh. I'm on the cloud right now. Oh my god, there's a capybara in the server! Bruh. Wait, there's a cloud. How do you control the stupid cloud? How do you control the stupid cloud? Wait, guys, does everyone know what the overkill glove is? Bruh. Wait, I've heard that sound before. Why are they on a cloud? So they're trying to get to that place where the cannon is. Oh wait, the plate. The plate. Oh my god, I got on. Oh my gosh, I got on. It's a wrinkle! Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Plate counter, why is there a plate counter on the top? It's like 71 right now. Oh my god, how? The plate. Oh my god, I almost fell off the plate. Bro, don't jump because oh my gosh, I almost. What in the world is this glove? Stop. Wait, should I shoot with the cannon? Oh my god, I almost fell, not gonna lie. Cheese dripping, bro. They oh my god, the cheese got even moldier on the lunch leaf. No. Tournament join. I just pressed join. Oh, it just killed me, bruh. It just killed me. Bruh, how dare you? It just killed me. I just pressed join and then it killed me. Bruh. Wait, guys. My sister's on an iPad. So I'm gonna invite her. Oh my god. Let's see if you hear a notification. Because that is really loud. Oh my god. Bro, that was crazy. A whole team was trying to slap me, and they didn't notice how powerful my glove is. And I literally killed them instantly. Bro, I just killed someone instantly.
Magic events in history, Sonic.
What? Bro, what did he say? Oh my god. Right when I just started the game. You don't know how powerful my glove is. Oh my gosh. You don't notice how powerful my glove is. What if they have like... Oh my god. Bro, I'm killing everyone. Wait, they have a glove that it does a cutscene and they throw you really far. Oh, that's when they're doing it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Be careful of that guy. They're gonna run, aren't they? What is going on up there? What in the world was going on up there? Oh my gosh. I did it. I did it. I beat him. And also, what was that purple lightning? Leave a comment what that purple lightning was. Oh my gosh. Yoink. Oh my god. Oh. I was instantly killing people, not gonna lie. Bruh. Default only? No, I'm not joining that. How would I beat someone if I just have a default?
Yoink.
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 Oh my god.
Yoink.
Bruh, he took my... Oh. Wait. Yoink. Yoink.
Yoink.
Oh my god, that almost fell. Now you can't get me. Yep, there it is.
お前はもう死んでいる。
What in the world is that language? Good thing it translated it because it said you're already dead. Wait. Google Translate. Oh my god. Google Translate got it right. Don't switch. I'm using Microsoft Edge so it's faster. I have Opera GX, but I'm not going to use it right now.
お前はもう死んでいる。
That's what they said. Bruh. Oh, please don't attack that guy. Yoink. What in the world? That was the troll face.
Yoink.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god, that actually just yoinks it.
Yoink.
Yoink. Oh my god, they just reverse time. They just reversed time. I have 1,560. Wait, actually, I have like 1,600 and 506. Bro, why do they keep reversing time? Oh, they're stuck in a rock. Of course they're stuck in a rock. What is that, called? Oh my god, I just killed the person that was stuck in a rock. Oh, please. I almost attacked the person who does the cutscene. Okay. That is... Why are they vibing in a rock?
I'll be back.
Oh no, they're gonna reverse time, aren't they? Okay, I just killed them. Yoink. Oh my god, good God, I didn't step in that. What? It just showed the Among Us. Yoink. Wait, but it just showed the Among Us again. Bro, how many Among Uses are there?
Yoink.
Piggy Builder 1952. Oh my god. It just turned blurry and green for a second. Oh my god, someone just fired a cannon. Bruh. The Among Us. Oh my god, good thing I didn't step in that. Oh my god.
Yoink.
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 Oh my god. Bro, someone just... Oh my god, I almost just fell off the planks. Oh my god. That looked like the troll face. Oh, that stops. Uno reverse card! Oh my god, that actually threw me very far. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this recording. We'll start new recordings too. Bye! Wait. I'm not gonna play Beach City because, you know, it's not banned yet, but they do have inappropriate stuff in it. It should be banned because, you know, it has inappropriate stuff, and if there's something inappropriate in your game and you don't do anything about it, you'll get banned. Well, we're gonna play Regretavator. Oh my gosh. Oh. And let's play Roblox Regretavator. Or I'll do it by myself. Oh my god, there's Narby in this drone picture. Oh. Wait, Summer. Join the game. But she's just playing Bandori. She's trying to kill the streak on Bandori. Oh my gosh. Wait, Severin, call Ed. What's new? 2 new floors, more kitty variants, more stickers, usual improvements. No, I'm not gonna do the quick play. I only have voice chat on my alt account. Oh my god, did they just burp? What? Oh my god! Hello? What try to box Sprunky. Wait, I'm gonna go in the game. Wait, I'm gonna put the microphone on the speakers. Oh my god. Okay. What is that? I'm in the spectating zone right now, so I can't see what they're doing. Well, I can go through. What in the world is happening? Germination. Gerpop. Oh. Yeah, I have a Gerbo Pop. I have a Gerbo Pop. What in the world is going on? Oh my god. That sounds scary, not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Hide in the box. Yeah, hide in that box. Oh my god, he just passed by him. Oh! I just saw his feet. I just saw his legs. Oh my god, how many? Bendori. Choose for Robux. 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 Shift, click an NPC. Direct select. What is Bive doing? Oh my god, Bive, you're gonna get crushed by that elevator. You better push the elevator doors. Oh my god. Oh no, Bive got crushed! Oh my god, there's so many players in the game. What in the world is that? No sound. Hello, would you like to have some fun? Oh god. Find the correct path to the other side. But he instantly found. Well, this music is fire, I guess. Where I go? Oh god. Bro! It's a sheep. I'm sorry. But there's seals on my... Oh wait, that was someone else. Because we had... I have seals on my arms on and evade. What's this? Oh my god. That's what prototype said. Oh my god, I'm so what? What the heck happened to me? What the heck? So what happened? Are you... let me tell you what happened. There was like a wall on the top of the regrettivator, the elevator, whatever you can call it. And it just pushed me, and now I'm wide, and I'm not Sigma. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh my god! He just took the computer. He just took the computer. He just took the computer. Oh my god, he's so loud. the game for a second. Wait, we're back to normal! Skag. That's his name. Oh my god. Rat! Please don't show me a rat. Oh my god. Those rats have rat poison in them. Ah! Oh god, the rat, the rat, the rat, the rat. Okay, I look behind me and the rat's not there anymore. Ow! Oh my god, I just got rat poison in the game. Oh my god, how many rats are there? Oh, the smiley face hasn't been found. Okay. Wait, should I buy a healing ball or something? 10 orbs. I'm gonna buy a healing orb. Bro. Oh my god, the healing orb's actually helping. But it just went outside the... Bruh. I'm not gonna pay for another healing orb. Okay, my health is at 100. Oh my god, it almost fell. I gotta push this healing orb back in. No! Oh my god, what the heck? It's bouncing! It's bouncing! Bro, it's bouncing. It's literally bouncing. Backflip 1 by. How am I supposed to do a backflip in the game? Free. Oh god, I'm gonna get sacrificed if I buy that. In the game. Skag! Oh my god, shut your mouth up. Bruh, that's actually so loud right now. I just covered the microphone with my arm. Bruh. Okay, we're at 3,008. We have to find Lampert. Oh my gosh. Find Lampert. Yes, find Lampert. He's so Sigma and Phantom Tax. He has a big yacht. Oh my god. Rizme in the refrigerator. Ice cream, so good. Yum yum. Bro, I want some ice cream right now. Oh my god. I can't have cake until 11:30. Ice cream, so good. Yum yum. Ice cream so good. Yum yum. Ice cream so Sigma. Yum yum. Oh, Lampert was found. I did not find Lampert though. Ice cream so Sigma. Yum yum. Shimmy, shimmy, what's up, baby mamas? What's up, baby mamas? It's tonight. Oh, what's this show? Make this show.
This one of the 4 corners.
I'm gonna
special chance
the
at
RB. But I just okay, I'm gonna let the RB choose. Roblox choose. Oh my god, it actually just flew me. Okay, he got whoever was on red, you got I'm sorry.
Yellow. Yellow.
I even forgot I have this.
Yellow.
I have the red one too. The very main one. Oh, sorry, red. Ah! Oh god, oh god, oh god. Bro, I almost survived. Ow, the fire killed me. Overview cam? Bruh, there's an overview cam in this level? It's literally nighttime. Oh my god, I can actually see it's nighttime. Bruh, they just died. Gianni Kid of 43 is still alive. Oh my god, why is he tilting? Why is the camera tilting? Oh my god, it's pitch black. Okay, thanks Scad for making light. He has 400 health and the time has 500. Bruh, why is she playing Midjoy? Oh, it's a green roller and wait to you at the other side. Bruh, hold on. Oh god, I almost fell. Bruh, oh my god, they just jumped off. Bro, the slowing down sucks. Oh god. Oh, I see the... Okay, I'm gonna... Oops. F. Red block. Okay, I put on the red block. Oh god, he's coming. Oh god. Oh my god, he's going violent mode right now. Oh god, I think I'm about to die. Oh god. Oh god, I hear him. I'm going too slow. You're too slow. Oh, he's going violent mode right now. Run. I'm trying to run as fast as I can. Oh my god, he just killed me. He just popped up out of nowhere. Damage taken. 2,867 damage taken. Oh, this sounds like a sad song. It's sad and fire at the same time. Clicks, taps, 85. Coins collected, 13. That's not a lot. Survival time, 15 minutes and 3 seconds. Keys pressed, 502. Distance travel, 9,359.72 studs. Bar molasses evaporated, 3. Jumps Oh my god, that's a lot. Wait, guys. This is the end of the whole video. Goodbye.